The Hiccup Cure. I get med school classmates that text me to this day and say that this still works for them. I developed this in medical school. What happens with having hiccups is a spasm of your diaphragm. And what we want to do is normalize flow down your vagus nerve. So first, you want to take a big deep breath in and try to flatten out that diaphragm as much as possible. You want to hold that breath until you start feeling some of that air hunger. When you notice the air hunger, I want you to put your fingers in both your ears and wiggle it. Then remove your fingers, swallow, and slowly let that breath out over the course of 5 to 7 seconds. Done. If you have to repeat it maybe once, but this is a one and done hiccup cure. You heard it here first.